Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate National Geographic on Roku step by step clearly. To activate the National Geographic channel on your Roku device, start by turning on your Roku. Make sure your Roku is connected to the internet. From the Roku home screen, navigate to the Streaming Channels option. Select Search Channels to open the search feature. Type in National Geographic using your remote. Select the National Geographic channel from the search results. Click on the Add Channel button to install the app. Once the app is added, return to the home screen. Open the National Geographic app. You will be prompted to sign in or activate your account. Choose the option to activate your device. A code will be displayed on your screen. Using a computer or smartphone, go to the National Geographic activation website. Enter the code you see on your Roku screen into the activation site. Follow any additional prompts to complete the activation process. Once activated, return to your Roku device. You should now have full access to the National Geographic content. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.